All right, guys, so I just want to come on here and do a quick review on my chimney sweep kit. Kind of go over all the parts and just kind of how they work. So what you get is the cleaning head, and these are like super strong bristles. And then you get like a strong plastic tarp that you can kind of put. We usually set it about here, so that way anything that falls on this. Some gloves, because they can get messy. Some sponges, sometimes you'll wipe stuff down, and then these super strong and flexible. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of these, and this is so that way we can put them up the chimney, and they do bend, so very, very nice, and they're very heavy duty. So kind of just show how it works. So what you want to do is that they have this little button here. So like literally it'll just push it down and then it's good to go. And then you can keep attaching them to this end depending on how much you need. And then you get this accessory that also comes with it, that it's for your drill. So go ahead and hook it up. There it is. And let's go ahead and attach it just for reference. Okay, I think we're good. And bam, there it is. Like I said, this can bend up, or like I said, you can attach as many as you need. Just for purposes right now, I'm just gonna show you with one. So all you need is your drill, and you're literally good to go. So if you're looking for a good chimney cleaning kit, this one right here, I would highly recommend.